This meditation will give you the necessary skills to get rid of your obsessive thoughts and reduce your anxiety. To begin, settle into a comfortable position of your choice. Close your eyes and let your body and mind relax. Obsessive thinking and anxiety form the foundation of the repetitive rituals that you feel forced to carry out. If you obsessively rearrange or check on things, clean, tap, or count, you're doing so to reduce your anxiety. And you feel anxious because you constantly think about everything that might go wrong. To break this cycle between obsessive thoughts, anxiety, and rituals, you must train yourself to have the thoughts while reducing your anxiety and skipping the rituals. This is a safe, calm space in which you can learn to do this. Concentrate on your breathing and imagine that you can see the air as it moves in and out through your nose. Slow your breathing and relax. Become one with the rhythm of your breathing. In and out. In and out. Slow and relaxed. Become aware of your breathing as the marvel that it is. 16 times a minute, 23,040 times a day, 8.4 million times a year. It just goes on and on, year after year, effortlessly, unconsciously, throughout your life. It just happens, all by itself, with no work on your part. Just relax and appreciate the ease of it. Allow your thoughts to come and go as you continue to concentrate on your breathing. Right now, there is nothing to be fearful of or worried about. All that exists is the stillness and peacefulness of this moment. Relax and take in the calm that is all around you. If a thought races into your head, take your attention off it and feel the air moving through your nose, your throat, and your lungs as you breathe. Allow your thoughts to pass while you enjoy the sensations of your breath. If you begin to feel anxious, take a deep breath and enjoy the sensation of the air flowing into your lungs. Let the rhythm of your breathing keep you calm and in the present moment. Both your body and mind are at ease. You are safe with me. There is nothing in this space that can hurt you. You're breathing slowly, remaining calm, and you feel in charge. Now, think of how you feel when you're worried about or obsessed with something. Allow yourself to feel the anxiety and other emotions for a moment while keeping in mind that you're safe and protected. Remind yourself that it is completely fine to feel anxious. It is normal for humans to be anxious when something upsets us. It only becomes a problem when we start stressing about this anxiety. Tell yourself that it's fine to feel this way and that it will pass. Anxiety is short-lived. It will pass if you focus on something else, like your breathing or other sensations of the current moment. Don't fight the anxiety. Just take your attention away from it. Now, picture yourself in a situation in which you're normally anxious and in which fearful thoughts race through your head. Perhaps you feel being dirty and want to wash. Perhaps you feel anxious about fire and want to check that your appliances are off. Perhaps you're afraid of the consequences of an untidy closet and want to rearrange it. Watch your thoughts race by. Feel your anxiety, but do not perform the ritual. Breathe slowly and focus on the air as it fills your lungs. You are safe. You are in control. Your thoughts and anxiety will pass. They are passing while you're focusing on your breathing. Continue to practice. You feel the anxiety threatening to overwhelm you. You feel the thoughts demanding your attention, but you're focusing elsewhere. Feel the air flowing through your nose as you inhale. Notice the calm that flows over you as you exhale. Instead of fighting against the obsessive thoughts and anxiety, you simply choose to stay calm and ignore them. You can do it. Repeat this practice for each area in your life in which you experience this cycle of obsessive thinking, anxiety, and ritualistic actions. Attend to your breathing. Let the thoughts and anxiety pass without performing any rituals. If some thoughts take longer than others do to pass, just be patient and continue to focus on your breathing until you're calm. Tell yourself, anxiety is a normal part of life. But when it becomes obsessive, I can remain calm. I have complete control over these thoughts and emotions. I control my mind, not the other way around. As this meditation comes to an end and you open your eyes, make a commitment to yourself to repeat this practice as often as you need it. Take the excitement of living without obsessive thoughts and extreme anxiety with you into the rest of your day.